Kishore and you're watching School Mentors. In today's episode, we are going to watch how to write the table of 17 the easy way. For that, we are going to write a crisscross like so. And after doing that, we are going to write the countdown from 0. So we'll put 0 over there and then 1, 2, 3 on the right hand side, 4, 5, 6 in the middle, 7, 8, 9 on the left hand side. And after doing that, in the first row, we will write the odd numbers starting from 1. That is 1, then 3, and then 5. Next row will be the even numbers starting from 5. So there will be 6 over there in front of 8, then 8, and then 10. And the last row will again be the odd numbers. After 10, the odd number will be 11. So we write 11 in front of 9, then 13 in front of 6, then 15 and 17 in front of 0. So here's the table of 17. So 17 into 2 over here is 34, 17 into 3 will be 51, 17 into 4 will be 68, 17 into 5 will be 85, 17 into 6 will be 102, 17 into 7 will be 119, 17 into 8 will be 136, 17 into 9 will be 153, and lastly 17 into 10 will be 110. So there's the table of 17. Hope it does help you. So I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching this. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.